welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, you saw her earlier because you should have been watching Daytime Live from the start. But in case you didn't, she's one of dancehall's best artists. As a matter of fact, for me, she's one of the best artists ever who just happened to do some dancehall. And we're happy to have her back. Queen Tifa! Yeah. Gorgeous!
Bad DJ, bad lyrics, all of the above.
Batting up, bad everything.
All of the above. So Tifa, what's you say? You're calling yourself Tifa Millions nowadays. I mean, other than the obvious, why are you calling yourself that?
You know, it's not, but I just get up on Ireland and I was just like, want to change my name. It's nothing behind it. And then I was watching something with the guy, Chameleonaire. Remember that guy there? They see me rolling. And they were like, it's like you self-manifest the millions behind the name Chameleonaire. I know I'm worth almost $60 million. And I'm like, true. I'm going to name myself Tifa Millions. They have not to do with it.
Yes.
So she said.
Well, speak more of the millions into being.
Midnight Madness, trust me.
I got you.
So, Tifa, while we were off air, I was saying to you that I remember when we were at UWI together and how much I admired you from UWI. You had juggled the degree and doing well at it, and you had juggled getting into the talent and growing that, and seeing you do both, and the way you used to talk to your mother, I rate you from them time. Just this week I called your name. So what I want to know, Tifa, some people might not know that you've been in this for a while. So how long have you been in music? The hard work you had to put in, and how you managed to stay so relevant up to this day?
Well, I mean, I've been doing it since birth, since life. You know what I mean? I was born into somewhat of a musical family. And most people don't know, well, I educate the ones that know. I did Usher. I was in Usher for like 8 years, like all of my adolescence. I've been performing, touring since I was a kid. Family training, singing, dancing, and acting, and then took a little break because, you know, high school, they want to be like a high school kid.
Yeah.
So, you know, I want to stay back, you know, after school and, you know, meet boys, do like regular kid stuff. And when I got to university, my boyfriend at the time was just like, had a mixture student. He was like, what are you doing? Like, you have talent, why you don't sing, why you don't whatever. So we cut a demo, and the rest is history. We met up with 121 Suko, and the rest is history.
Big up Suko, big up 121.
Yeah.